When working in the graph editor in Blender, you can grab your keys and move them around kind of freehand, just to the left, to the right, up and down, in either axis. And this is great, but sometimes you want to stay in one axis, especially if I don't want my key moving. If I want all my keys on 30, I don't want to accidentally bring my key over here and forget about it and then have things be off. So in order to lock your key in one position, there's a keyboard shortcut. And I kind of got confused when I started this. I didn't do it correctly, so I wanted to talk it out with you guys so that you would understand how to do it as well. So if I want to lock my key motion into either just the y-axis or the x-axis, you hit on your keyboard first the letter G, and then you hit the letter Y for Y. And now I can only move it up and down in the y-axis. I can't move it left and right. See, I'm trying and I can't get it off of that 30. I can move it up and down as much as I want, but I can't move it any other way. And that is really helpful. And contrary to that, the opposite, I can hit G and then X, and I can now move left and right, not up and down. No matter how hard I try to move up and down, I can't. But this is also possible. So I just wanted to go over that with you guys. I especially like locking it in the y-axis. So just remember, you hit the letter G on your keyboard, then hit the letter Y. You don't have to hold down both letters at the same time. You just hit one after the other, and then you'll be locked in. I found this really helpful. I hope you did too. Happy animating, and I will see you in another video.